Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. So today is a bit of an unboxing. So Influenster reached out to me ages ago now. I've since done another survey, but I wasn't eligible for that. If you had a baby, they wanted to send some formula out, and I don't have any babies or any children, so that was no-go for me. But months ago, I'd say at least 2-3 months ago, Starbucks sent me a survey as well, and I filled that in. I just wanted to know if I like coffee, and I don't drink an awful lot of coffee, but I do like coffee with like vanilla in it and things like that. So I said that I like that, and I said that I had a Dolce Gusto machine, and they reached out. Like last week they sent me an email saying that they would be sending me something in the mail, and that's the card. It says Starbucks coffee, make it yours at home, and then it just says how to get started with this campaign. All you need to do is do a review on Influenster, so it's a really easy campaign, which won't even take 2 minutes. I'm going to be doing a taste test with you, but I'm going to show you what I've got first. So yeah, it just says check your campaign for important instructions regarding disclosure, which I've already done. I thought this was never going to get here actually. Like I said, I got an email about a week ago, but there was nothing in my campaigns. It didn't even look like I was getting anything. So I reached out to Influencer, and they said that they had a technical issue. So I thought, fair enough, I'll just wait to hear then. And a few days ago they said that it had been sent out, and then mine, I've not tasted it. I'll actually pop some pictures in the video, I'm sure she won't mind. So yeah, mine's this one. So it's the Starbucks Macchiato Madagascar Vanilla Macchiato with Starbucks Blonde Espresso Roast, and it's for the Dolce Gusto machine, which is mine. So the pods, you get 12, so you get 6 coffee, 6 milk. Now I've had a look on Influencer in the communities tab where we all talk about what we got, and a lot of people have got the latte ones. The latte ones come with 12 coffees. I don't understand that, because obviously latte you need milk, unless it's already like just in one pod. I mean, these pods are so cute, aren't they? Look at them. So that's the coffee. So coffee, and then the white one's the milk. So that's that one. So yeah, we're gonna go to the kitchen now, and we're going to make a coffee. I think I might film that portion of the video on my iPhone. I've not decided yet. So let's just go to the kitchen. Right, so here we are. So this is my Dolce Gusto machine. Of course, my Starbucks mug for the occasion. So let's just grab a coffee. I did it before, and my mum said she couldn't really taste any of the caramel. Is it caramel? No, vanilla. So see, that's the milk from before. There's still quite a bit of milk left in there. Wondering if I can use that, because there's still quite a bit of milk left in there. I only did it about an hour ago, so we'll try and use that. Right, so the button's just round there. When it wants to warm up. It doesn't normally take this long. Oh, there we go. Right, so then we've got this nozzle on top, and it just, that's for cold water, that's for hot water. So here we go. It's very noisy, sorry about that. That's enough coffee. because the milk needs to go in. There's still absolutely loads of coffee in there. Oh, ow. Don't burn yourself. Still loads of coffee in there. I think you need bigger mugs. So let's start with the milk now. Oh, don't fall off. Right, so that's the end of the milk that I used for my mum's. Actually, it's probably the water. Yeah, there's no water in. Let me just pop a little bit more in. Right, so I've just checked it. I'm going to pop another milk in there, just purely because it's really, really strong and I don't like really strong coffee. Right, so it's done, guys, and it's looking nice. Let's just give it a bit of a stir. Made a bit of a mess. Clean that up later. Very milky, very frothy, just the way I like it. I've not used this machine in such a long time. The only thing I ever used to use this machine for was hot chocolate before bed, because I really do like a good hot chocolate. But yeah, I mean, you know, they reached out to me, Starbucks, and asked me if I wanted to try it, and I thought I may as well try it with you guys on camera. So, right guys, so it's all done, and hopefully I'll be able to taste the vanilla this time. My mum said she couldn't, but I think what it was is there was too much water in the back of the actual machine there, and it was just filling it and filling it and filling it and taking, like putting more coffee in and taking the flavour away. So there was more water going in than anything. I only filled it halfway, and we'll see if it tastes any better. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it into the bedroom and we'll do our little taste test. Okay, so here goes. So we've got it in our beautiful, beautiful little Starbucks mug. So yeah, let me taste it. Oh, that's sweet. I can definitely taste the vanilla. It's really hot. Obviously it's gonna be. Normally I would wait for it to cool down a little bit. So nice. If you like coffee like with a shot of vanilla or a shot of caramel or anything like that, and you've got a bit of a sweet tooth, you'd really like this. And I think once I've used them all, because there'll only be 4 more cups left, so once I've used them all, I've already checked online, you can get a box of 12. You can get a box of 12, which is 6 of the coffees and 6 of the milks, for £3.20, which isn't bad for Starbucks. So yeah, I think I will get some. But yeah, I really, really do like this. Thank you to Starbucks and Influenster for sending it to me. I really do appreciate it. It will help me in the mornings when I'm feeling so groggy and tired before I come on to film. So yeah, I really, really do appreciate it. And I've got quite a few things from Influenster recently. If you're not on Influenster, I'm going to leave the link down below so you can check it out. I mean, I've had a heart monitor, which some people might say it's not great, but it is. I mean, especially as you're getting older. So I had a heart monitor a few months ago. They sent me some of the Keys Soulcare skincare, which I've really been enjoyed using, and now some Starbucks coffee. I can't really complain. So yeah, I really can't complain. I mean, they've sent it to me for my honest review, and that's what they'll get. You know me and my channel, I always try and be, you know me and my channel, I'm always very, very transparent with reviews. So cheers guys, thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below, click the notifications bell. Please like, it really does help out the channel, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.